In today's video, I'm going to teach you the exact steps that no YouTuber wants to share on how to grow a successful AI influencer on Instagram and secure top brand deals, just like Aitana Lopez and many other influencers have done. I will also show you how to make money by monetizing your AI influencer on a very popular platform that supports AI content. And trust me, you might be surprised at how easy it is to start making money on the internet. Yes, real money, not just likes and nice post comments. So grab your notebook, maybe a snack too, and let's get started. Zine AI. Okay, quick question. Have you ever seen those AI influencer girls online and you just sit there thinking, wait, is this a real person or is my internet playing games with me? Yeah, same. Well, today, you're about to learn exactly how this is done. So sit back, relax, maybe grab a snack, and please try not to blink too much because you might miss something. Now, when you first look at these images, something feels off. Not bad off, just confusing. They look too real, like the kind of real that makes you question everything. The skin looks natural. The lighting is perfect. Even the tiny details are doing their job. And the lip sync. Oh, it's not playing around. It's smooth. It's accurate. It's like the AI attended acting school and graduated top of the class. And the quality. Clean, sharp, bright. Like a brand new phone fresh out of the box. Now instead of wasting time jumping from tool to tool, I've got one website for you. Yes, just one. No confusion. No stress. No hopping around like a lost frog. The website is called Zine. So let's start. Open a new tab. Go on. I'll wait. Alright, you back? Good. Now search for Zine and click the first result. You'll probably need to sign in. But if you already have an account, it just logs you in like magic. No stress, no drama. Now you're inside. Take a look at the screen. And please, don't panic. Don't start clicking random buttons like you're launching a rocket. We are not going to space today. This platform is simple, very beginner friendly. Honestly, even someone who spells banana as banana can use it. You'll see options like *AI image, *video, *motion control. But relax, we're going step by step. No rushing. Image generation. First, we create images. And not just any images. High quality ones. We're using the updated model called Dream 4.5. Yes, remember that name. It's the star of this whole show. But wait, we need prompts. Because the AI is smart. But it's not a mind reader. For prompts, you can use tools like ChatGPT. Or even Grok. Personally, I like Grok. It just feels nice to use. Now go to your chatbot and ask for Instagram-style photo prompts. Because that's the vibe we want. Clean. Stylish. Influencer energy. Once you get your prompts, copy one. Go back to Zine. Paste it in. Then click send. Now wait a few seconds. And boom. Your image is ready. And honestly, this is scary good. Like, if I didn't make this myself, I would think this is a real person. At this point, I might even say hello, just in case. Download it. Then grab another prompt. Repeat the process. Again. Boom. Another image. And wow. This one. Even better. Like, who gave AI this much power? Do it again. Generate. And now you're probably thinking, wait, this is actually AI? Yes, it is. At this point, humans might need a software update. ### model comparison. Now let's test something. Switch to another model called Nano Banana. Yes, I know. Sounds like a fruit with a degree in tech. Generate the image. And it's okay. Not bad. But also not amazing. It's giving, I tried my best. Now switch back to Dream 4.5. Same prompt. Generate again. And wow. The difference is loud. One is whispering. The other is shouting, I am the best. Let's try another comparison. Dream 4.5 versus Qwen Image 2.0 Pro. Generate both. And once again, Dream is just doing its thing. No stress. No competition. Now try Dream 5.0 Lite. Generate. And wow. These images are beautiful. At this point, just download everything. Don't think. Just download. Yes, your storage might complain. But it will survive. If you're still not impressed, I don't know what else to tell you. Maybe blink twice and try again. ####. Step 2. Lip sync. Now let's move to lip sync. On the left side, click lip sync. And honestly, I won't talk too much here, because what you're about to see is kind of crazy. Upload your image. Click next. Now pick a voice. There are many options. Take your time. Yes, actually listen to them. Don't rush.
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight and your arms and legs are uncrossed.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts. So use my voice for those kinds.
Hi, my name is Cherry Twinkle, and I am so very excited to meet you. I was just about to pick some cherries. Would you like...
Better a patient person than a warrior. One with self-control than one who takes a city.
Once you find one you like, scroll down. Type what you want the character to say. Then click Generate Audio. And here's the fun part. It's free. Yes, free. Even if you write a long speech like you're running for president.
I just love how my skin looks every morning.
Now click Generate. Wait a bit. And boom. Your video is ready.
I just love how my skin looks every morning.
And this looks real. Too real. At this point, the AI is doing the talking for you. Literally. I even tested another lip sync tool. And let's just say, it didn't go well. The face changed. The vibe changed. She looked like she didn't even want to be there. So yeah, Zine wins this one easily. Step 3. Motion control. Now let's level up. Click motion control. Think of this like directing a movie. You're telling your character how to move. Smooth, clean, controlled. Not like someone who just stepped on Lego. At the top, you'll see Kling 3.0 motion. It's new. Very new. Fresh like hot bread. Now upload. Asterisk a motion video. Asterisk your character image. You can get motion videos from YouTube. Download one. Upload it. Add a description if you want. Or don't. No pressure. Click Generate. Wait a bit. And that's it. Simple. Clean. No headache. And just like that, you're now creating AI influencers. Like a pro. Just remember, when you become famous, don't forget us. We knew you before the millions. FanView. For monetization, we are going to use FanView, of course, because right now it is one of the only trusted platforms that allows AI content monetization. And let's be honest, you don't want to put in all that effort creating content just for it to sit there looking pretty with no money coming in. FanView is trusted by well-known celebrities, even people like Cardi B, so you already know it is the real deal. When big names are using a platform, that usually means it has been tested, tried, and it actually works. They have also handled a huge amount of money in creator payouts, which shows that people are not just signing up, they are actually earning. Another great thing about FanView is that they support AI content monetization across almost any niche. So whether you are creating AI videos, images, or something more creative, you can still find a way to make money from it. That flexibility is a big reason why I recommend it. And don't worry, getting started is simple. You can find the sign up link in the description below, just click it, create your account, and you are good to go.